Now I want to tell you the second usage of temporary dimension that I said, the drawing. What does it mean? Check this out. For example, I want to draw this project with temporary dimension technique. I choose the wall and I start drawing from here. How much was the space of that wall from this wall? 6 meters. Pay attention, you put your mouse on this wall and you can also see the distance of the wall at the bottom. If it's on face, well, it shows you until the face. If it's on center line, it shows you until the center line. Now I enter the number, what was it? 6. And enter. You see? Now, what is the length? 13 meters, that's right. And then you close it. I repeat it. How much is the offset we have from this wall? 6 meters. See, you put your mouse on this wall, you enter number 6, then you click on enter and drag it to the wall there. How much is here? 4 meters. It was the corridor. You put your mouse here and you see a number that is the nearest number. So what do I do now? I want you to pause that you think what you can do. I enter 4. Then I drag it and close it. Drag and close. How much was here? 4 meters. Again, I click on it. If you're near this one, it gives it until this one. If you're near that one, it gives it until that one. So I get near this and enter 4, and then I drag it to here and draw it. So we can draw by temporary dimension too. And if you remember, I told you something very important, and that was the temporary dimension always gives us the nearest number. For example, when you choose this one, it gives you 1.8, that is the nearest, and also a 6.7. But if it weren't, the nearest would be this one. Well, you might think that if I choose this one, is there any way to get my temporary dimension until here? Well, there is a way, but it's not a part of our lesson, so let's forget about it. You should just use these services for now. One more thing that I think might be in your mind, and I explain it to you. Well, you might think that the sizes we give are from the back or the front or the center. And the sizes, well, don't get involved, right? You don't need to know them. Remember that we will study all these details in the right time. Now is not the time. Now we shouldn't think about the sizes. Now we just want to learn the technique of drawing. You see, just the technique. So remember that. Just keep your mind free of everything and only practice on the techniques I teach you, and I want you to get really good at it. Practice this technique too and draw this one with temporary dimension one more time.